everyone. Firstly, I want to introduce myself. Hello, my name is Vina Marica Bihoiria. I'm from PC class. Then in this video, I want to explain a little about capacitor. Capacitor, which in electronic circuit is denoted by a letter C, is good tool that can save energy or electric charge in the electric field by collecting an internal imbalance of electric charge and capacitor discovered by Michel Faraday, until called the Farad capacitor. The structure of capacitor made two pieces of metal plates separated by this electric material. These electric material are commonly known as air vacuum, ceramic, glass, and another. If both ends of the metal plate was given voltage, the positive charges will accumulate on one leg or electrode metal, and at the same time the negative charges accumulate on the metal edge of one another. The positive charge cannot flow toward the negative pole, and the opposite end of the negative charge cannot be heading back up the positive pole because the electric material separated by are not conducive. Electric charge is noted for no conduction at the ends of the legs. In the wheel, this phenomenon occurs when the capacitor charges accumulation positive and negative charges in the cord. Number 1. Capacitance. Capacitance is defined as the ability of a capacitor to hold chain of the electron. Then, Michel Faraday made postulate that a capacitor will have a capacitance of 1 farad when a voltage 1 volt and load as many as 1 electron change coulombs. With the formula can be written. In practice, the manufacture of capacitor, capacitance is calculated by knowing the area of metal plate, distance between the second metal plate or the electric thickness, and a constant electric material. With the formula can be written as follows: the capacitance is break 8 times 10 the power minus 12 times the break constant times area of metal plate divided by distance. Identified condenser has two legs and two poles of positive and negative, and has a liquid electrolyte and generally tubular. While most of the other types of capacitive value is lower, doesn't have a positive or negative pole on his legs, mostly flat round brown, red, green, and another such a table or seat button that is often called a capacitor. Number 2. Form and type capacitor. Based on the usefulness, condenser is divided into A. Condenser figure, B. Electrolytic capacitor, and C. Variable condenser. In a large capacitor, the capacitance is generally withdrawn with shear numbers, complete with a maximum voltage value and polarity. So, this for example. Number 3. Series capacitor. The series of capacitor will result in smaller total capacitance value. Below are example of capacitors arranged in series. In a series of capacitor arranged in series applies the formula. So the series of capacitor in parallel will result in larger capacitance value reflectment. Below are example of capacitor arranged in parallel. In parallel capacitor circuit applies the formula. Number 4. Capacitor function. The function of the use of capacitor in a circuit I as the coupling between a single series with another series. B as a filter in the series of PS. C the generator frequency in the anthem circuit. D to converse power at the neon leg, and E eliminate or jump the wire when installed on the switch. Number 5. Type capacitor capacitors. The capacitor consists of several types depending on the electric material. For more simple, can be divided into 3 parts, namely electrolytic capacitor, electrolytic, and electrochemical. A. Electrolytic capacitor. Electrolytic capacitors are a group of capacitors that are made with a dielectric material of ceramic, film, and mica. Ceramic and mica is a popular material and cheap to make small capacitance capacitor. Quantities available from VF to several, which is usually from a series of applications relating to high frequency. Group including film dielectric material are materials such as polyester, polystyrene, polypropylene, polycarbonate, metallized paper, and other. Mylar, MSM, and MKT are some examples of the Dermac name for the capacitor, which is a dielectric material film. Generally, this group of capacitor is the nonpolar. B. Electrolytic capacitor. Electrolytic capacitor do consisting of the capacitor dielectric material are metal oxide layer. Generally, capacitor including this group is a polar capacitor with the plus and minus in the body. Why are these capacitors can have a polarity is due to the manufacturing process usual electrolysis to form the positive pole and negative pole and not the cathode. It has long been known for some metals such as tantalum, aluminium, magnesium, titanium, niobium, zirconium, and zinc surface can be oxidized to form metal oxide layer or oxide film. Oxidation layer is formed through a process of electrolysis as in the process of gold plating. Metal electrode is dipped into the electric solution and given a positive voltage and the solution given electrolytic negative voltage. Oxygen in electrolytic solution apart and oxide the surface of the metal plate. For example, if used aluminium, it will form a layer of aluminum oxide on its surface. See electrochemical capacitor. One other type of capacitor is an electrochemical capacitor. Including this type is a battery of capacitors and batteries. In fact, battery and capacitor batteries is very good because it has large capacitance and liquid return is very small. This type of capacitor of this type are also still in development to get a large capacitance, but small and light. For example, for the application card and cellular phone. So this is for example. Maybe quite a few explanation for me about capacitor may be useful. So thank you and let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.